I'm going to take this big one out here. It looks really awful, and test it and see what kind of values I get. I got that one out without too much trouble. But I've got one here that's new, brand new, 0.1 nanofarads. I'm sorry, 0.1 microfarads. So let's test that one. Alright, you can see it's 100 nanofarad, which is 0.1 microfarad. So we'll go ahead and test the one that I took out now and see where that's at. Okay. So this is the one I took out. So you can see that's 617 nanofarads. So that's way off. That's a high-grade audio cap. I really shouldn't be using it on this old radio. I mean, it's the right one. It's just probably a little more expensive than this radio requires. But I just wanted to see if that helped anything. I don't think it did. So I've ordered the replacements, and we'll recap it and then see where we're at. Okay, gonna do a little bit of cleaning here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna pull a baseball on you. I'm just gonna clean it lightly, you know, because I know that you go too hard and then you wind up with problems. So we're gonna take it real gentle. I think that's probably clean enough. I got some glue that I use for refoaming speakers. It usually works pretty good on stuff. I'm gonna try to, on the back, see if I can get that covering to stay down. I don't know if I don't think it's leather, but it smells like leather now with a little bit of leather cleaner. I think it has softened up a little bit. Not quite as stiff as it was. And then this part of the handle is kind of bent up, so I'm going to see if I can gently put that back into shape. But it cleaned up pretty good. You know, I mean, it's a good looking radio. Okay, I've got a little ball peen hammer I use to coax things back into shape when they seem to get out of shape. So I'm going to see if I can just gently tap this without messing it up too bad. Alright, well, it looks a little better. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. Right, well, I've got it to lay down somewhat, but not perfectly. So I might try a little more glue and then try it again. But what I did was I took part of the handle and put it on there with the glue, and then clamped it on there, and it seems to straighten it out, but it's going to take a little more work, but I think I can get it to lay down.